Hi, Busticker. Oh, you're such a good boy. Okay, go play with your buds. Go play with your buds. Yeah, go play with your buds. Oh, you're so good, bud. Oh, yes, you are. Their favorite toy, the most expensive in the whole batch. Here comes trouble. Nah, says I'm not trouble. And yes, this good boy has learned how to jump on the sofa. I love him. He's a great boy. He's very smart. Very, very smart. Yes, and he knows how to sit when he's supposed to sit. He's a good boy. He doesn't know the command yet, but he knows how to sit nice. Nancy has her bumblebee sweater on. We were outside. The puppies haven't been outside yet. No, they haven't been outside yet. You're good. Oh, you got the broccoli. Yes, they're trying broccoli for the first time this morning. They had banana the other day.